Use the oven function for baking of cake mix, cookies, muffins, and rolls. In the oven mode, you can also use the low wire rack with the European crisp pan as a baking plate for cookies and muffins. Press the oven mode button repeatedly to set the preferred temperature. Next, turn the adjust knob to set cooking time. Different food items need different temperature and time for effective cooking. You can refer to the manual for temperature values to be used for different foods. Next, press the jet start button to begin preheating the oven. Once the oven is preheated, open the door and add the food. Now, press the jet start button again to start cooking. Do not use plastic, paper or wooden utensils in this mode.